Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to master the MidJourney art. Let's get started. MidJourney, it is a powerful AI tool that turns your text descriptions into a beautiful and artistic images. Whether you're dreaming up into a fantasy landscape, futuristic portraits, or surreal abstractions, the MidJourney app makes it happen. Then here are some key features you love, like the text-to-image generation from descriptive prompts, high resolutions, artistic renders, prompt customization with styles, parameters and versions, upscaling and remix option for the fine control, and I use community for inspiration and feedback. And how to use the MidJourney. Just go to its website and create an account. Then go to the MidJourney Discord server, and then if you're newbies or image generation channel, type the prompt. Then wait for the few seconds for the AI to generate option. Then also here use the underneath upscale and create variations on your favorites. And here is the pro tip of to level up of your AI art. You need to be descriptive as possible. Mention the mood, settings, and style, and use the version commands for the latest quality upgrades. MidJourney isn't just a tool, it's a game changer for digital art. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creative, mastering it opens up endless possibilities for conceptual art, social content, and personal objects. Let's jump into a MidJourney and let the imagination run wild. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.